This is Nature Boy. Nature Boy is of the opinion that he can exceed the performance of Nature Mom.
And I can, because I've already done it before.
And our viewers ask, is that true? Or will Nature Boy plummet into a thicket
Okay,
of
first of all,
prickers?
I'm pretty sure we don't have any viewers. I'm not that big of a YouTube channel. That I have...
Nature Boy is Zedster03. Please like and subscribe.
Oh my goodness.
Also known as Monkey Boy.
Oh my goodness. Okay, we're posting the Monkey Boy video. I look like an idiot climbing a tree in my natural habitat, the forest. See, Mom, I don't get this, because I haven't felt one pricker except in my shirt.
Nature Boy is fighting through the bush.
More like a tree. Stupid tree. Okay, it poked me in the foot.
Not so easy now, eh, Nature Boy, is it?
Yeah, it's still pretty easy. And Nature Boy has done it.
Nature Boy, what do you have to say to your viewers?
I'm better than Nature Mom.
Nature Boy, would you like a place to live?
Yes.
Then I suggest you rethink your prior comment.
I'd like to thank everyone who supported me, which is probably no one. I'm pretty sure Nature Mom wanted me to fail so that she could laugh at me in a video. And I've just realized there's markings on this tree. There's been more Nature Boys, but not Nature Moms, because Nature Moms apparently can't do it. I'll even give a little added extension to the bat. I'll even make it down.
I made it down much quicker than you.
Yeah, by falling
Well, hey,
on your back.
you do what you gotta do.
You made it maybe, I don't know, 3 feet up the log. And then plummeted.
I called it dismount.
I call it failing. And dismount.